Welcome back to another video. So in this video I am going to talk about one of my personal project which I have been working for past couple of months and also using parallelly. So this is about expense tracker app which I have recently developed. So initially we started reading raw messages, raw SMSs actually from our Android phone, and then we created some custom rules to filter out expense related messages. So the rule part is generic actually, so we can filter out spam OTPs as well. But as my end goal was to create an expense tracker on top of it, so I created this custom filtering thing. And once we have done that, then I created a notification system so that those SMSs which are for transactions can be directly recorded from the notification, so that I need not to open our app. So this is working really well till now, and the next functionality which I feel I need is related to analytics. So recording part is working fine. So in this video I am going to show you a quick demo of the analytics part which I have developed. So without further ado, we can start. Okay, so this is our emulator, and I have been developing in Android Studio. So this is for Android Studio. So this is the icon for our app Message Buddy. Let's quickly open it. And apart from analytics part, I have done few UI enhancements as well. I'll show you in this video as well. So yeah, so messages are not yet because I have done a fresh install, but I have imported some data. So let's go to analytics. So this is the page main where I have created these sections. So if you see the first card, this is for total spent in the time range, and this is the filter. So this is for previous month. I can apply for current month as well. So in current month, this is the expense. And by the way, these are the dummy values, so don't judge me on basis of it. And next we have current FY, previous FY, all, and we also can apply custom filters as well from any start date to end date. So these are basically filters, and after that next two cards are general spend and other spends. So general spend without any comment or tag, and other spends if we have some specific expense which we do not want to track it under our monthly expenses or general expenses, so we can tag it like that way. And the next card is weekly breakdown. So if it is weekly, if we have selected month, if we change it to previous FY, then it should be spent by month. Okay. And next part is if I select any month bar, then it will apply it as a filter also. So if you now see, we have opened for October, 1st October 2025 to 31st October 2025, and it is showing data for that month only. And next section is categorization by payment mode. So these are the mode I have been using, and most of the transactions are done by SBI transfers. And this is also dummy data, so yeah. And here are the detailed expenses for that time period. So this list can be long, so that's why I have put it in expand section. Moving to next, this is not counted thing, so that things I have talking about earlier, the tagged one or the expenses with the comments will go in this section. So if you see here, it will also show. Okay, so some are personal, some are important, these two transactions are there. So yeah, this is marked like that. So that's majorly about on this analytics part. It is also been working as expected. There are few features which I am going to add in future, but till now this is what I initially planned, and it is working as expected. There are other enhancement as well which I have done, will quickly show you. So some are UI improvements. For example, I have created separate icons for filters and sorting. So this is for sorting and this was for filter, and I have also added one thing for backup and restore. It was not earlier there, so I can backup this data on some CSV file via this. So backup CSV expense only, we can save it to file or we can copy it directly as well. And similarly for restore, we can use same uh, file again to restore it. So this is not useful in general, but I have created it basically for the purpose if I have created some breaking change, or maybe if someone has earlier data like I have, so we can import it in this format. And also yeah, and also in this expense screen there is option to edit as well. Earlier it was not there. And option for bulk operations as well. So for example, if these two expenses I can quickly select like this and tag with a particular comment. For example, um, if these two expenses are related to some miscellaneous expense, so we can tag it here and it will show separately from that expense part. And yeah, other options are implemented earlier as well, so there's no change on that part. Yeah, so I think I have covered everything till now. And yeah, this has been useful for me, and I hope I will continue use it and polish it further, so that it will definitely going to track my expense better. uh, I hope you like this video. If you want to explore other parts in this series, so I'll tag it in I button below, or maybe in the description of this video as well. So you can check out other part as well, where I have developed this app from very scratch, like reading SMS first, then creating custom rules, then categorizing the SMS based on paid or whatever category I have, and then to notification, and then to this analytics. And this is kind of the final product which I initially planned. So I hope you also enjoy this journey, and if you feel the same, then please feel free to like, comment, and share your thoughts in the comment section, or maybe with me as well. So yeah, that was it. I'll see you in the next one.